Hello, Pali Strong community. It's Larry. I'm down here on Temescal Canyon, and we've got some fantastic news. I'm standing at what is ground zero through the process of phase 2 debris processing. Right here, they had the heavy metals, they had the concrete, everything was staged here. And now we've got great news. Look at the repaving of Temescal Canyon. To our right is Pali High. And down here, we've got this. We are honored today to have with us Colonel Palzini, who's going to give us an overview of what's happened in the process here of paving the road and update us on debris clearance and what's going on. So, thank you.
Hey, Pali Strong community. Thanks for joining me here today. Like Larry said, we're on Temescal Canyon Road. This used to be a TDSR, a temporary debris staging and recycling area, right next to Pali High. We know how important this road is as you start thinking about the school year and what that's going to look like for this community. And so about a month ago, we shut down all the TDSR operations here. And as you can see, we've got new asphalt down. So we've paved any damage that was done by that heavy equipment that Larry mentioned. We had the concrete crushing here, we had the metal recycling here, and so all of that has now been repaved, re-asphalted. We're working with the city to make sure it meets all of their standards for the road, and by the end of the month, we'll be able to turn this road back over to the city. Last stages are restriping, getting some of the reflective material back on there, and it'll be ready to go for the school year.
Outstanding. How about some updates on numbers, percentage clearance in the community on debris removal, other projects coming up, what's happening over at Will Rogers?
Absolutely. So we're now over 90% complete in the Palisades fire area, and even higher in a percentage of parcels that are cleared. So that's over 3,600 parcels in the Palisades community are complete, turned back over to the county, and we're continuing strong. Well over 1 million tons of material removed to landfills. We're left with some of the more challenging sites now, some on pretty steep slopes. You may see a lot of work happening on Tremonto right now. Several, one of them is a multi-unit facility or multi-unit structure. One is, or several are some real steep slope houses. And so our great contractor is tackling those with the safety and the urgency that they've used all throughout the mission. The work continues. At Will Rogers, what we used to do here is now being done at Will Rogers. And so we have that concrete crushing, the metal recycling, and the vegetative chipping all going on at Will Rogers State Park. And similar to this, that'll be turned back over to the community when we've finished our operations as well.
Outstanding. So we are looking at the end of the month that this will be striped and ready to use for the community as we come back and as we rebuild. And what's so important has been these relationships with these amazing agencies. Thank you to ACOE and all the other government agencies that we've been working through to get this done. Super excited for Pali High and its future, for all of our students coming back to school here sooner than later. Let's make this happen. So stay positive through this rebuild and stay Pali strong.
Thanks, Larry.